Welcome guys to this another video of the chapter table charts, right? So what are table charts? Tables are somewhat a kind of arrangement for keeping data of different segments at one place. Okay, so here I have taken an example of a table. It is the expenditure and the salary, fuel and all incomes and bonus and interest and taxes paid. So all the payments and incomes of a certain year are here in this table. So year 1998 to 2002, salary is 288, 342, 324, 336, 420. So this is the expenditure on 98, 112, 100, 101, 133, 142. This is the bonus made, this is the interest on loan, this is the taxes paid. So here in this question, so generally on table charts when the questions are asked, so one table has been given in the question paper, and on that 4 to 5 questions will be asked on the same table itself. Okay, different segments of mathematical questions, arithmetical questions will be asked on the same table itself. So here we have taken an example of a table which is in front of us, and we are going to solve two questions on this table only, which will give you an idea about how to solve table chart problem, because tables are nothing there to theorize the concepts. Okay, so there's no theory in this chapter, which is a good part. And tables, all of you know what are tables. Tables are an arrangement to keep different segments of data at the same place so that we can analyze it better, right? So that is why Microsoft Excel is a very important tool to every organization. Thank you so much for coping up with us and following every video. So I hope that all the questions in this will be a very understandable one to you. So let's proceed to the first question. What is the average amount of interest per year which company had to pay during this period? Okay, so it's a very important question. So what is the average amount of interest paid? So here, as the items of expenditure are there, as you see, so interest of loans has to be paid, bonus has to be paid, salary has to be paid, fuel and transport has to be paid. So this is a table chart of expenditure of a company, right? So this is a table chart of an expenditure of a company. So everything has to be paid: taxes, fuel, transport, bonus, interest on loans, salary, etc. So these things are to be paid. So now we will see that how to find the average amount of interest per year which the company had to pay during this period, right? So in the period from 1998 to 2002, the average amount of interest has to be found out. So it's very easy. So interest on loans, right? So you just find out the average of interest. So what are the interest? 23.4 plus 32.5 plus 41.6 plus 36.4 plus 49.4 divided by 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 segments, 5 years. So it comes to become as 183.3 by 5, which in turn comes as rupees 36.66, which is in lakhs, right? So rupees 36.66 lakhs of average interest per year has to be given within this period by the company. Okay, so this was a very easy question. You have to just find the average, right? Average interest. You have to just find the average interest. So now in the next question, what does the question asks? Let us see. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately what percent of the total amount of salary paid during this period. So the bonus amount which has been paid by the company in this period is what percent of the salary which is paid in this period, right? So bonus is certain percentage of the salary which the employee gets. So what percentage of the salary has been given as a bonus by the company, right? So let us find out. So just the required percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is nothing but the bonus, the addition of the bonus. So 3.0, we will take bonus from here. 3.0, we will add 2.52 till 3.96. Okay, we will add like this, and we will divide it with the salaries. Okay, so we will divide it, and we will add the salaries to till 420, and we will multiply it by 100. As to find out the percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. So it becomes, so when you solve this equation, it becomes 17 by 1710 into 100%, which is equals to 1%, right? So when you, which is approximately equal to 1%, which is not fully equal to 1%, which is approximately equals to 1%. So 1% of the salary is given as a bonus in this period by the company. So hope you guys understood that what so easy questions are being asked in the table chat chapter. So these are very key points, these are very good points to hold on, these are very good topics to hold on, so that you score more and more in the logical reasoning part. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.